Welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So today's video will be a follow-up from the last video on how we can increase our on-chain score on the base chain. So in today's video we'll be doing swaps, right? So on my Rabby wallet I have the icon already swap. Okay, so I'll just tap on it and let's see what comes up. Okay, so swap is more like just swapping your Ethereum on base to another token, and probably you can swap from that other token back to the Ethereum on base, so it's just like a vice versa thing. Okay, so it's up now, and what do we want to do? We want to swap from ETH to another token. Let's select the other token. In this case I want to use USDC. It's a stable coin. Okay, so let's include the number of ETH that we want to swap. Okay, let me do 0.0007. Okay, let's see if this goes. Okay, so let's swap by PancakeSwap. Alright. Okay, let's wait for this to process. Okay, we sign, confirm. Okay, great. So transaction created, and now what we can do is to check the on-chain score now that we have performed a swap and see what we would have. Okay, so let's head back to the site on-chain score.xyz. Our previous score was 8%, that is 8 over 100. So let's see, and our token source performed with 0. So now let's enter this address and see if any changes. So we now have 14 over 100, and now our token swap performed is 1. So you can continuously do swaps. I'm not saying that if you continue to do swaps to increase the number, but however, maybe to get to a certain number of swaps that you can do that would increase this figure from 14 to probably about 20 something or 30 something. Just like when we performed transaction on ETH, right? We performed a transaction, it was 8. We'll perform another transaction but still had 8. However, now that we've performed the token swap, we've gone up by 5, or we've gone up by 6. That is, we've gone up by 6 points, so from 8 to 14. And you can also see that the transactions is now 3. So what this means is that the swap that we've done counts as a transaction on the base chain. So let's see if we can just perform another transaction and see if it will be added. Let's just try. Okay, so let's head back to swap. Okay, let's see if we can swap back the USDT that we swapped before max. Let's swap it back to the ETH. Let's see what happens. Okay, approve and swap. Okay, and then we sign, confirm. Also, I need to let you guys know that I can do this on any wallet. You can do this on your Trust wallet, on your Coinbase wallet, on your MetaMask wallet. So whatever wallet that's compatible with the base chain, you can do this on it, or you can use the Rabby wallet like I am using right now. Okay, so let's check this transaction back on the on-chain score site and see if the swap would have increased by another. Since the transaction is not yet completed, let's see. It's still buffering, but it's already reflected in the figure. Let's try again though. And let's see. And submit. Okay, so we have 15 now, and the swap performed is 2. So interestingly, it increased by 1 point, which is good. So probably you could keep doing swaps and you can see your on-chain score going higher. Just remember that we started this as a new wallet which had 0 points, and now we have 15 points. So the next video we're going to be doing lend, borrow, stake transactions to see how we can get these points up. Okay, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any questions, do leave a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that a team member will be available to attend to your questions. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more exclusive content. If you find our tutorial videos helpful, do buy our educational toolkit WikiCat built on the BSC chain to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.